Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how you can see the temperature of the fluids in your vehicle. So you can see the oil temperature, you can see the coolant temperature and transmission fluid temperature. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Now there was a facelift in 2021, so I'm not 100% sure this will apply to the older models, but it should. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. You will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel to access these options, and you will be looking at this small screen on the instrument cluster. So you want to press the down button once to get to vehicle info menu, and then you want to keep pressing right to see other things. And first thing, you can see coolant temperature. Press right again, transmission temperature, and press right again. Here you can see the oil temperature. Now you always want to make sure when the engine is completely warm, it should always be somewhere in the middle. I just recently started this vehicle, it's still warming up, but that's how it is. For example, you can see transmission temperature. I still didn't drive the vehicle, it's parked, so that's why it's not warming up yet. But that's how it is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.